Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me HP Ink Tank Wireless 415, and now I'm gonna show you how to use this printer. So of course you can connect this printer to Wi-Fi, you can connect it to the PC using USB cable, and of course you can connect using your smartphone via HP Smart application. I will show you in the other video about how to connect this printer to the network, but now I'll show you how to copy files using this printer. So to copy any file, firstly you need to open this cover. This is too easy to do, so just open this cover and insert the document you want to copy. So just insert this document and close the cover. Then wait a while. Then you need to open the paper slot. To do it, here you have this plastic object, so just drag it up and just make it stable, okay? So you can open it and close. So just open it in this way and insert the paper card here. So just insert, place your paper, and now here you have this gray plastic part. You need to open it. So just open this plastic part, and great. And now just click on copy button on your device. It's under the power button, so here. So just click on this button and wait. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.